Adjust as necessary, making flexible choices in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase, adjust as necessary. This phrase is not just about changing something. It's about adapting to different situations with flexibility and understanding. So, let's break it down together and find out how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Adjust as necessary is a phrase that combines two key words, adjust and necessary. To adjust means to make small changes to something in order to achieve a desired outcome or to improve its fit, function, or performance. Necessary, on the other hand, refers to something that is needed or required. When combined, the phrase suggests making changes or adaptations that are required by the circumstances or to meet specific needs. Let's put adjust as necessary into context with some real-life examples. Imagine you're following a recipe but don't have all the exact ingredients it calls for. The recipe might note to adjust as necessary with substitutions. This means you should replace missing ingredients with what you have available, ensuring the dish still comes out tasty. Another example could be in a work setting. If you're working on a project and the deadline changes, your manager might tell you to adjust your schedule as necessary. This means you need to rearrange your tasks and priorities to meet the new deadline. Using adjust as necessary in conversation shows a level of pragmatism and flexibility. It's a way of giving permission or advice to make changes based on one's judgment of the situation. For instance, when giving instructions, instead of being overly specific, you can end with, and then adjust as necessary, empowering the listener to use their discretion. Understanding and using the phrase, adjust as necessary, can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. It's all about recognizing the need for flexibility and changes based on circumstances. We hope this video helps you grasp the concept and encourages you to incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey. Adjust as necessary and enjoy the process.